Hey guys, welcome to Mitch's Music. Today I wanted to show you this new guitar that KGD Guitar sent me. So I'm going to open it up, unbox it, and we're going to see what it sounds like. Oh yeah. All right. Almost there. This is it. Alright, here it is. This is the KGD, and it's a relic guitar. It has a rosewood fretboard, a roasted maple neck on the back. It is 3 single pickups. And this is the Seafoam. And man, I'm really liking the relic on this. So when I actually reached out to these guys and I said, hey, your guitars look great, would love to try them out, and it was really hard for me to choose, but they have this one in the Strat type body, but they also have several Telly type bodies on there, so check them out. And let me get set up and we'll play it and see what it sounds like. Alright guys, so I've got it set up. I'm plugged in to my Helix, so if you are used to my channel, I've got it plugged in. I haven't really tweaked anything on it, and so if you know the sound of my guitars, then you should be able to pretty much see what this guitar sounds like based on those. Alright, so this is just my standard clean, and this is what the guitar sounds like. Here. Yeah, so it sounds awesome. So that is the bridge pickup. Here is one above. Here's the middle pickup. Let me switch over to one more setting so we can really hear it with a heavier sound. right, so let's talk about the guitar. I mean, I like it a lot. I love the colors of all of their guitars on their website. They have some really cool designs, some really cool relics of the guitar. So here's the front of it, here's the back of it. I mean, the action comes right from the place. Really good. I think these are probably 9s, which is the standard. I normally play 10. So as far as my playing, I'm probably beating the strings a little bit more than they're used to, because I'm normally not used to playing 9s. And so, but as far as the sound of it, it's great. I love what I'm seeing. I love the look of it, and I'm looking forward to recording some videos with it. Now, along with the guitar, let me reach back into the box over here. You actually got a cord, just the standard cord. Looks like you got a truss rod, and then you've got your whammy bar that comes along with it. Man, I'm loving this guitar. Look for some videos coming out in the future with me playing this one. Great looking guitar, great playing guitar. Loving the sound of it. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to tweak some of these settings a little bit so I can get used to fitting it exactly like my guitars. And we're going to record some videos with it. So look for it in the future. Grab yours in the link below, and I'll see you in the next video.